How to find referral code on Remitly app. So let's get started. First, open the app. And the next step is go down here and click on this My Remitly, this widget. Under the rewards, you can find Refer Friends. Click on it. Then you get a few options here. You can send it via WhatsApp, email, messages, Messenger, or you can just simply copy the link. But if you click on this copy, you're not gonna copy only the link, you will copy the whole description. So what you need is just this link. Hold and copy this link. And here we go. You got only your link. And that's it. This is how can you use it. Also, if you are using browser, it's the same process. Maybe it's easier because you don't have this description. So just log into your Remitly account and then go here, Refer Friends. And here you can just simply copy this link. And that's it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel. And see you later. Have a nice day. Bye bye.